Okay, November 11th, 2013. We're going to come back and try our lovely GE refrigerator. We've been gone for 24 hours. Just got home and we're going to try this thing to see if it's making any ice, which it usually does not. Let's see what happens. This is what we get. Wait for it. Wait for it. Keep waiting. We've got 5 ice cubes. Not bad in 24 hours. 6. Oh, almost enough for a drink now. There we go. Whoop. I think that's about all it's going to do. We'll give it a full minute of runtime here. Actually, we'll just keep going a little bit longer, a minute and a half almost. So here we are, just a little over a minute and a half, and we've gotten 1 cup of ice. Again, this is a 24-hour period, so let's see what's in this thing. 24 hours gets you about 1 glass of ice and a little bit of those extras there. So there's our glass. And this is what your GE top-of-the-line profile refrigerator does for you in 24 hours. Pretty sad.